Hello. Hopefully we should be live. I think I'm gonna join a stage in my Discord too. Okay, great. Oh my god. Alright. Hey Ben, how's it going? What do you guys think about me switching to OnlyFans or one of the other sites for like educational content? Okay. I gotta hop on voice chat so I get, I don't know, more traction, more community. Hey, how's it going, everyone? How you been doing? I've been doing good. How's everyone else been doing? I'm a little like concerned with the World War III stuff, but do not get emotionally bogged down by that, because that's a surefire way to just not be productive at all. But it is scary, global economic collapse and whatnot, or at least for the U.S. So, hide my search history. Hide my search history. I kind of want to make my remove email from remove email from. So today, bro, we are watching your videos. We still watching your videos? Yeah, I mean, you can watch those videos later. I'm just churning out content because I'm on break, dog. Yeah, everyone watching Professor Zhang. Do you know that guy? I also switched to the Helium browser. It's really good, actually. I'm really enjoying it. Just on YT today. No, I'm hopping on the Discord in a sec. Do you guys know this guy? Because this guy has got a. If you want to know what the end of the world is looking like, this guy is. He's speaking straight facts. To be honest, his rise is like meteoric, and it's understandable. This guy knows exactly what's going on right now with the state of the world, and it's. I try not to watch too much of this guy because he's like, it's like fucking terrifying what's happening right now. But this guy has got such a breadth of knowledge. Like he makes insane geopolitical connections. Um, it's like pretty amazing that he's able to do what he does. Like he's drawing connections that nobody else really has been able to yet, and some of his individual stuff feels like a little bit like conspiracy theory, but you get into just like the broad picture, and there's like too much evidence he's got for these things. Um, I would say like he messes up some small details, and like that's what led me to think conspiracy theory initially. But I've vetted this guy with too many people's whose opinions I respect for it to be conspiracy theory anymore. Um, Hopefully, like talking about this guy doesn't get me shot by the deep state. That would be annoying. But yeah, well, I looked it up too, and I was like, okay, Reddit says it's conspiracy theory, but who do you trust more, like your mentor and your father, or Reddit? I think some random person is just like, this seems circumstantial, but I I'm not so sure, honestly. I think what he's saying is pretty valid. Also, I switched to the Helium browser. We are in a new era, but guys, we gotta achieve AGI before the global economy collapses, because maybe that'll make things slightly worse. Yeah, predictive history is not niche; it's mainstream. But hello, chat. Not available at the precise moment, but I can do later. I think 9 a.m. where you are right now. Yes, it is. Guys, the Helium browser is amazing. You were right. I just really like it. Okay, let's hop on stage. Got it. Allow. Got it. Start the stage. Disconnect my phone mic. Oh shit, I did not mean to notify everyone. I'm sorry. Fuck. Predictive history, not niche. Did you see what Andre did? I think he got a ran right more people listening to him. What did Andre do? Andre Karpathy? He open source a model which does research by its own. Yeah, the AI speeds, that's today what we're looking at. There's a channel called Ben Davis who I'm friends with, and I'm going to collaborate with him in the near-ish future. Oh, I actually want to get Unhook YouTube. Unhook. Okay, where's the install link? Add to Helium. Add. I just don't want people to see my embarrassing YouTube feed. Okay. Ben Davis. This guy, I was watching his stuff last night. This guy, holy shit, is he doing shit. So I have to make a video, like, I was completely wrong about vibe coding. It's reached a point where the infrastructure around it is making it insanely good. There's all these tools that compress the docs and stuff, and the benchmarks have plateaued, but the things this guy is capable of building and the speeds at which he's doing it are unreal. I think also his take about Bun being kind of a new operating system is really awesome. It's like it sits on top of the operating system. It's very optimal. It's written in Zig. It allows you to pass software all around, run local apps, run CLIs, and we're also running solid.js to what's it called? CLI converters, which I think is really brilliant. Like I thought this shit with OpenCode being written on like a what's it called? A CLI and being in React was really stupid, but having like conversion layers for getting complicated state working with web libraries makes a lot of sense. You get all the performance benefits of the terminal and all the complex state management strategies that we've worked on through Svelte and Solid, and having adapters just makes sense, and having them live on Bun makes a lot of sense too. So I want to check out what this guy is doing this stream and set up like my AI infrastructure to be good. Yeah, so Professor Zhang also says like there's a lot of like racial and that's geopolitical, like there is a lot to what he says about alliances of certain ethnic groups and stuff, so that can feel like a little bit odd, but I unfortunately think like that's just the reality of the situation. Like what I don't know what everything he's saying is true, but I think quite a lot of it is just he does a lot of work to research. How do you get out of laziness? I mean, dude, why are you lazy? Think about it. Just think about it really hard. Sit there and meditate and don't let yourself be distracted. Only sit there and just think, why am I lazy? Why am I not working? Don't let your mind distract yourself with YouTube. Answer that question and just sit there and answer it. You can go on a walk or something, but do not distract yourself from answering the question. You're not trying to get work done. You're trying to figure out why you're not getting work done. Yeah. He does dramatize it a bit too much, but he does hit more than he misses. Yes. I do think he misses too, but so yeah, it's not all good. I mean, Yo, how you guys in the Discord doing? How you feeling about life? We're barely getting words. Insanely quiet. Okay. I can change my mic settings to use my Yeti microphone. This might be a bit better. IDK, my personal opinion is that code should be written 99 by AI, and you, the guy that operates, should just like validation. Okay, so we're gonna talk about all of this today, and I think so. Vibe coding, I don't think works. I'm still a huge hater of vibe coding. What this guy is doing with his AI programming is not vibe coding, and you'll see that because he is going in extreme depth on all the details. Like in this video, he compares the rendering engines of Svelte, Solid, and React to very low-level detail, and all the AI coding he's doing is involving like really he's really thinking through these things, and he's making tons of engineering decisions. And I think what coding in the future will be is much more about what libraries can we use, what are stable, what can we patch with AI. And he's got some like amazing, like he has a product that auto scrapes all the issues from an open source project, uses an AI to triage them, gets docs context for all of them, then submits automatic PRs, then reviews the PRs. And it just like is this bot that goes and targets open source projects and just like one shots all the issues and fixes a ton of bugs with it. And he's got that all working like meticulously in here. So vibe coders are not going anywhere in life. But this guy and other people in the audience who are real engineers, you're now like 10x engineers if you master these tools. But I don't think everyone will make the jump. So being, it's easy to feel like worried, like, oh my God, the field is changing so quickly. Will I be able to get a job? If you've already been coding yourself by hand for a couple of years, I think you'll be able to pick this up fine. But people that haven't, they don't understand the larger picture of the infrastructure and how it fits together. So I don't really see like noob vibe coders replacing real engineering. Let's see. But for large enterprise projects, most of the value of the engineers comes from understanding how everything works. And nothing is going to suffice for understanding a project like building it yourself. We'll see. I'm interested because I'm also like somewhat skeptical, but also just seeing the videos from Ben, and I guess I can share my screen on the Discord when I'm talking about this, but let's see. I guess the best way to go over this is watching one of this guy's videos. Yeah, I think so. I'll just screen share. You're allowed to watch other people's videos on YouTube stream, right? That's reacting to content is creative transformation. Do you solve LeetCode or code forces, and can someone leverage these skills? Do you think these skills will be relevant? Honestly, I'm starting to think that, well, that's a tough one. Everyone asks that, and there are certainly applications for it. I would say it's like, as far as activities go, you know, like if you're gonna like either do that or like jerk off, like do that, but like I would say you're going to learn more about programming by making projects yourself. Those skills are like a little bit niche, and also what like job interviews are changing. I've done a few interviews recently, and they're all like take home, like build a project interviews, because companies are realizing like it doesn't super matter about those things. But I don't know, if you're trying to get into one of the FANG companies still that does that, then yeah, I guess it's fine. But it's like practicing like math, right? It's like you're not going to be like, oh shit, man, why did I do that? Like that was a waste of time. Like I feel worse off for knowing these algorithms. It's actually quite a lot like math for a computer science student. You know, like you take abstract algebra or something as a computer science student. Are you going to apply like the definition of an abelian group? Probably not, but like you're not gonna be like, fuck, why did I waste all my brain power on that? Like, it's useful cognitive infrastructure to have built up. Where the math homework streams, I'm taking a week off that because I'm out of school. Why do you keep trying to switch to Microsoft Teams audio? Okay, Microsoft Teams is getting nuked. Where are you, Microsoft Teams? You're not even installed and you're taking up audio? This is unacceptable. Oh, the Helium browser is absolutely banger. Yeah, I can share my screen. Let's see. I'm also live on YouTube if you want to. Helium. And you know what? Google Chrome, ability to record my screen. I'm going to have to quit and reopen Helium. All right. Hello? Am I back? I can't tell if I'm back or not. Let me join the stage. Alright, I'm back on stage. I should be able to share my screen now. Window, entire screen, share. Alright, YouTube chat, where are you? Can someone drop a link in chat to my YouTube chat? If someone's watching live on YouTube. Just docs though. Cool, we can do anytime. Okay, sounds good. Alrighty, guys. Google definition, high level. Oh, this is a great take, honestly, about architecture. So I've been working with Software Architect, and software architecture is becoming very important, like choosing microservices over a monolith, or we'll see in Ben Davis's video, but it's less about knowing syntax now and more about knowing infrastructure and architecture patterns. And like I think evergreen skills are going to become like Kubernetes and just knowing all the different types of things. If you're looking to learn this stuff, hold on, my computer's fucking freaking out for some reason. I wanted to change audio permissions. Audio. Do we have a privacy and security? Sound. Oh, please let me remove these useless pieces of shit. Can I delete this? Can I right click delete it? I want to get rid of these aggregate devices. Well, maybe it's okay. Who cares? Yeah, software architecture is going to be very important, I suspect. Unhook, hide live. Where is hide live chat? Pop at chat. Okay, let me send this to my other monitor and close this. Yeah, the Helium browser is amazing, by the way. I'm really liking it. What's up, Alexander? Opinion on hardware design and PCBs as a career or hobby. I think that's a great direction to go. No! Not Microsoft. Don't suggest Microsoft Teams ever again. Okay. All right. Is everything all resolved here? Looks like, yeah, I'm lighting up. I'm trying to correlate my network infrastructure knowledge. Yeah. So if you guys want like this channel, watch all of this guy's code opinion. He talks all about infrastructure or architecture, and architecture is going to be much more important than actual code. You guys smash this guy's, get him over 100K subscribers. This guy is, if you want to keep your job as a developer, this guy is the move. Absolutely. So far, perfect track record for recommending stuff to Sylph and Ghost to Helium. Yeah, what else do you got for me, Philip? Surely you've got something. Hey, we got 11 people in the audience. The server restructure seems like it's going pretty well so far, but like we want this to hit the moon, you know. We want to like all be in here doing crazy projects. And we should have some lectures and stuff. Oh, what's up, UBI? Guys, we gotta band together because it's the end of the world, and like we're all the cracked engineers and stuff. We gotta stick together and do well in the new world order. As corny as it sounds, it's like, I don't know. It feels like the Rebel Alliance is like uniting from all across the world. It feels very cool to be in this community.